Rosy goes to the city. Rosy was a baby elephant who lived in a zoo. A lot of visitors came to see Rosy. They watched her in amazement as she could eat a dozen bananas in one go. But she was sad and missed the company of other elephants. One day, the zookeeper forgot to lock the door of Rosy's cage. In no time, she was out of the zoo. She came across an ice cream seller. He was scared to see Rosy and quickly ran away. Rosy kept moving about. At last, inside a shop, she saw herds of elephants on television screens. It was a TV shop. "Friends," she thought and stomped in. The people started running out of the shop, leaving Rosy alone. She started talking to the elephants on the screens, but they didn't reply. Disappointed, she walked out. Back on the street, Rosy saw a little boy playing with a ball. She ran across the road and caused a traffic jam. The people informed the zoo. Rosy stopped in front of the boy. The boy smiled at the elephant. Rosy was thrilled and trumpeted back at her newfound friend. By this time, the zookeeper had reached the park. Seeing Rosy playing with the boy, he understood that she could never live happily in a cage. Rosy was now in a protected forest, where she roamed freely with the other elephants. Moral of the story: animals need more freedom.